Today, I am reviewing Dreo 110-Pint Smart Dehumidifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dreo 110-Pint Smart Dehumidifier is an absolute game changer for anyone struggling with excess humidity in their home, basement, or large rooms. Designed to cover up to 4,500 square feet, this powerful unit efficiently removes moisture at a rate of up to 110 pints per day under optimal conditions. Whether you're dealing with damp basements, humid living rooms, laundry areas, or even large bedrooms, this dehumidifier quickly reduces humidity levels by as much as 45% per hour, creating a cleaner, more comfortable, and healthier environment for you and your family. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its remarkable energy efficiency. Even with such a high moisture removal capacity, it consumes less energy than many of the latest Energy Star 2024 models, removing up to 4.0 pints per kilowatt hour while keeping annual electricity costs lower than conventional dehumidifiers. This makes it not only a high-performance appliance, but also a smart, cost-effective investment for anyone who values efficiency without compromising on results. The Dreo 110-Pint Smart Dehumidifier also excels when it comes to precision and control. With 3 modes, comfort, auto, and continuous, you can easily customize your dehumidification to suit your needs. In auto mode, the built-in high-precision humidity sensor continuously monitors the room's conditions and adjusts fan speeds intelligently, maintaining your preferred humidity level within a tight 5% tolerance. This level of automation is ideal for busy households or anyone who wants optimal indoor climate control without constant adjustments. For added convenience, the dual drainage options make managing the collected water effortless. The 2-gallon water tank allows for more than 8 hours of continuous operation without interruption, and the LED indicator alerts you when it's full. For longer, unattended operation, you can use the included drain hose to set up continuous drainage. This dual approach ensures flexibility in almost any environment, whether it's a basement, laundry room, or garden-adjacent area. Smart features take the Dreo dehumidifier a step further, integrating technology to make your life easier. Using the Dreo app, you can monitor real-time humidity, set timers, and schedule operations directly from your smartphone. It's also compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home, allowing for hands-free control of your home's climate. This smart functionality is perfect for modern households looking for effortless automation and energy management. In addition to its smart features, the Dreo 110-Pint Dehumidifier prioritizes safety and reliability. It is ETL certified, meaning it meets rigorous electrical safety standards and includes thermal protection, overcurrent safeguards, and a 90-degree tilt waterproof design that automatically shuts off the device if it tips over. The intelligent auto-defrost system ensures the unit operates efficiently even in colder conditions, activating automatically when temperatures drop to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. This combination of safety and smart adaptation provides peace of mind for any user. Beyond performance and safety, the Dreo dehumidifier is designed for ease of use and longevity. Its sleek, modern white design blends seamlessly into any home or office space, while its compact 11.3 by 15.4 by 24.4-inch footprint allows it to fit neatly in basements, bedrooms, and laundry rooms without taking up too much space. Setting up the unit is straightforward, with clear instructions and an included user manual, power supply, and drain hose. From its rapid moisture removal and precise humidity control to its smart app integration and safety features, every detail has been thoughtfully engineered to provide maximum comfort, convenience, and peace of mind. Whether you're tackling a damp basement, managing laundry moisture, or simply want a healthier indoor environment, the Dreo 110-Pint Smart Dehumidifier delivers consistent, high-quality performance with energy-efficient operation and smart technology that makes maintaining the perfect indoor humidity easier than ever. For anyone looking for a reliable, powerful, and smart dehumidifier for large spaces, this Dreo model is a clear top choice.